In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively embed a Miro board into your Notion workspace. This process is quite straightforward, but if you're not familiar with the steps, it can seem a bit daunting. So let's dive in and transform your Notion page into a powerful collaborative hub by integrating Miro's dynamic visual boards. To start, you'll want to navigate to your desired Notion page. This is where you want your Miro board to live. Open your Notion workspace and select the specific page where the Miro board will be embedded. Once you're on the page, simply click to start editing. Notion's seamless interface allows you to integrate various tools and content, making it an ideal platform for a diverse range of projects. Now, within your Notion page, you'll type a / or slash followed by the word Miro. This action will bring up a menu of options that Notion provides to customize your page further. By typing this command, you essentially tell Notion you're ready to connect it with your Miro board. It's a shortcut that saves time and keeps the workflow smooth and efficient. After typing up Miro, you'll notice that a small menu pops up. From this menu, you need to find and click on the Miro option. This is a crucial step. The Notion system will generate some prompts indicating you're preparing to embed an external resource. By clicking on Miro, you tell Notion exactly what external content you want to integrate into the page. The next step involves your Miro board. Over in your Miro account, select the board you wish to embed into Notion. Copy the link to this specific board. It's important here to ensure you've set the board's sharing permissions correctly if you plan on collaborating with others. Otherwise, your team members might not have access to view or edit the embedded board. The link is what essentially bridges Miro with Notion, allowing the interactive board to appear seamlessly within your chosen Notion page. With the link copied, it's time to head back to your Notion page. You'll paste this link directly where you had invoked the Miro option earlier. Once pasted, it's visible in the dialog box within Notion, clearly indicating the connection you're establishing between the two applications. Finally, after pasting the link, your last task is to click on Embed Miro. This simple action finalizes your integration, making your Miro board accessible directly within Notion. Your board, now embedded, should be fully interactive just like it is in Miro, offering a productive and visually engaging experience within Notion. Congratulations, you've successfully embedded a Miro board into your Notion page. This integration is particularly useful for teams who rely on visual collaboration and planning. It consolidates resources and streamlines your workflow, allowing all your work to be accessed and managed from one central location. Keep in mind that embedding boards not only helps with organization, but also enhances team productivity by keeping everyone on the same page. Explore these features further to optimize your project management and creative brainstorming sessions.